guys, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to talk about kubectl describe. What is a kubectl describe command, right? Like its name said, describe. You say use kubectl describe command. Usually you do that when something failed and you want to describe to see what happened. When you want to see the event and the events and you want to see stuff that happened, for example, the sequence that Kubernetes used to create a pod and what happened in between. So you can use kubectl describe, right? And you can describe all resources in Kubernetes. So let's go to the terminal and try to describe. Now, for example, if I type kubectl get port, I'm going to have all those ports, for example. Now, this port has failed, and this port is stuck in container creating. Let's find out what happened to this port. If I want to see why this port failed, so kubectl describe port, and then Kubernetes will describe the port for me, right? And when I type kubectl describe, it starts here. It give me the name of the port, the namespace where the port is deployed, for example, the priority. It tell me the node where the port is actually deployed. It show me all the label that is on the port. It show me if there's any annotation. It give me the status. It give me the IP address of the port. For example, it tell me this port is being controlled by what. Like I say, it's controlled by a replica set here. It give me the container ID, the container ID of the container that's inside the port. It tells me which image has been used to create that port. Even give me the image ID with the SHA-256 image ID coming from Docker Hub. It tells me if there's a port, if there's any port open on the container. So it gives me a lot of information. It tells me why the container, the state of the container is still waiting, and it says here that the reason is that the container has crashed, and the last state was terminated. The reason says error. So all that, and when exactly that happened. And it also show me that if there's any volume, like, this volume, the count that it restarted, any environment variable inside the container, it showed that to me. If there's any mount, anything that was mount, any volume mount, it go ahead and show that, to me. So it show you all those information, and here it gives you the sequence, what is happening. For example, it says here we have 4 nodes are available persistent. So this is having a persistent volume claim issue here. This port is failing. It tell you like there was a pool, so it gives you the sequence. So these are the events. So when you do describe, it show you all this. This is very handy for troubleshooting, right? When you're facing such problem, like your port actually crash, you will use this kubectl describe. You can describe all resources, right? You can describe all resources in Kubernetes. So that's called kubectl describe, and then you pass the resource name. I hope you like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.